So, are you ready for a blast of some flags? Yeah. Well, be ready to see it. Mine's okay, but we're going to check out some flags. Okay, Angola's flag. Except we delete that and make the store bigger. Now that makes me happy. That's the perfect Angola flag redesign. Now up to Afghanistan. Now, okay. What in the heck should I do with this? Delete this. No. Let's turn this. We can turn this a little bit lighter. And then that crescent doesn't go good. Maybe do an ellipse. Just spread. Let's just do this. Okay, we should look at it. Yeah, just put it. That's only here. Except it should look like this. Now that right there is a perfect Afghanistan flag. We're not doing much changes, okay? So we didn't do much changes for the last one, so oh heck, we're gonna have to edit it. Let's make it be like this, okay? Now, let's add the wave. Stretch and stretch. Yeah, no. This really makes me happy, but wait a minute. I know it probably had a coast. No. Yeah, that's it. Now, let's look at this. Let's expand it. Thickness 100. No, 100 right now. 30. No, that doesn't look very. Let's make it 20. No, 10. I said 10. 10 looks very nice here. Now let's turn this blue. No, I thought like that Yeah, that's stupid. Now we need to add let's just add the Alabama flag. Except stretch it. No, except it's over here. Yugoslavia. Let's just say this, and we're going to do that. Sorry if you don't recognize it as a country. Glad if you do, because I'm from the USA. And I recognize Kosovo as a country. Yeah. But some other people might see Kosovo as a part of Serbia. Actually, just from what I said, can you please not get insulted? I was just saying, just comment me if you recognize Kosovo or if you say it's a part of Serbia. Which one? Comment down right now. Unless if you can't. I recommend no insulting. We need this channel perfect, okay? Now let's get back to flags. Yeah. Actually, well, we're doing Kosovo too. Now, Albania, Montenegro, Kosovo, and North Macedonia will have this thing. Yeah. Isn't that my good flag for Albania? Yeah, that is good for Albania. Now let's work on Algeria. Okay. I wonder why. Let's make it negative. Yeah. Actually, no. We need to delete this. Put the star. Rotate it perfectly. Rotate this. Yes, that looks. Yes, perfect. So now we should just start free farming. Now let's just delete this thing. Let's just use the Simulapse. Never Simulapse. except upside down. This. Let's actually make it look like this. Perfect Algeria flag. Actually, wait a minute. Let's insert 2 rectangles. 2 thin ones. Let's just copy and paste. Let's just paste a copy. Now, perfect Algeria flag. It's gonna take a bit. Well, it's gonna. I know this will take at least a little bit. Okay. Yeah. There it comes. We done 4 countries now. Angola, Algeria, Albania, Afghanistan. And finally, let's do Andorra. Next up is going to be Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, and Austria. Yep. Venus da Vorando. I'm trying to read this. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just make it say Andorra. Land. Andorra land. Yes, we just needed to change the motto and its color. That's the perfect Andorra flag. Now, bye-bye. What the heck is that?